Welcome back! It's day 4 of our digital marketing journey, and today, we're diving into one of the most valuable skills you'll ever learn, copywriting. This is part 1 of our 2-part series on mastering the basics of copywriting. Whether you're writing social media posts, email campaigns, or website content, knowing how to craft compelling copy is essential. Copywriting isn't just about selling, it's about connecting with your audience, understanding their needs, and motivating them to take action. By the end of today's video, you'll know the key principles of great copy and how to start writing in a way that grabs attention and holds it. Let's get started. So what exactly is copywriting? In simple terms, it's writing that sells. But it's more than just slapping together a few persuasive sentences. Copywriting is the art of using words to influence and inspire action. Whether that action is clicking a link, making a purchase, or signing up for your email list. Think of copywriting as a conversation. You're not shouting at your audience, you're speaking to them, engaging with them, and addressing their needs. Great copy doesn't feel like a sales pitch, it feels like a helpful friend offering valuable advice. Let's talk about the key principles that make copy truly effective. These are the building blocks of great copywriting, and mastering them will set you apart from the competition. The first rule of great copy is clarity. Don't try to be too clever or use complicated language. People want to understand what you're offering quickly and easily. Remember, confused customers don't buy. So make your message clear, concise, and easy to understand. Instead of unlock the limitless potential of your untapped capabilities, say, unlock your full potential. Here's a common mistake, focusing too much on the features of your product instead of the benefits. Features tell what your product does, benefits tell what it does for your customer. Always highlight how your product solves their problem or makes their life better. Feature: our blender has a 1200-watt motor. Benefit: makes smooth, creamy smoothies in seconds. Humans are emotional creatures, and we often make decisions based on how we feel. Great copy taps into emotions like excitement, fear, curiosity, or the desire to belong. Speak to their heart, not just their head. Instead of, "Our fitness program helps you lose weight," say, "Imagine feeling confident and energetic every day. Our fitness program can get you there." Finally, write as if you're speaking directly to one person. Use the words you and your to make your copy feel personal. It creates a connection and makes the reader feel like the message is just for them. Instead of, "Customers love our service," say, "You'll love how easy our service makes your life." Now it's your turn. Here are 3 actionable steps to practice the basics of copywriting today. First, pick a product or service. Choose something you want to promote, whether it's your own product or something hypothetical. Second, list features and benefits. Write down the top 3 features of the product and turn each into a benefit. Finally, write a 3-sentence ad. Using the principles we just discussed, write a short ad that clearly conveys the benefits, uses emotional triggers, and speaks directly to the audience. Fantastic work today. Remember, copywriting is a skill that improves with practice. Focus on clarity, benefits, emotions, and speaking directly to your audience, and you'll be writing compelling copy in no time. Tomorrow, we'll dive deeper into advanced copywriting techniques in part 2, so stay tuned. Summary of actionable steps for day 4. Choose a product or service to promote. List 3 key features and turn them into benefits. Write a 3-sentence ad using the principles of clarity, benefits, and emotional connection. Bye for now, and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. See you tomorrow.